In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel appointment on Calendly. If you ever need to back out of a meeting, doing it the right way keeps your calendar clean and your guests informed. I'll walk you through the exact clicks inside Calendly, along with a few helpful tips to keep things professional and clear. First, go to your Calendly account and sign in. You'll land on your dashboard, which is home base for all your scheduling. You can do this on a computer for the smoothest experience, though it works in a browser on mobile too. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace if you manage multiple teams or profiles. Next, click on Meetings. This is where Calendly lists your scheduled events. You'll typically see upcoming meetings by default. Use the filters or search if you have a lot going on. It helps to confirm the date and time zone you booked in, especially if you travel or host attendees from different regions. Now, select the meeting you want to cancel and click Details. The Details view is where you can double-check everything before you take action. Look over the guest names, the time, and any notes you included when it was booked. If it's a group or team event, remember more than one person might be affected. If this is recurring or part of a series, you'll only be canceling the specific booking you open here. Click on Cancel. This option is usually near the top of the event details. You might also see a reschedule option, but today we're focusing on cancellation. If you see options like Remove from my calendar, keep in mind that's not the same as canceling in Calendly. You want the cancel button so attendees receive a proper notice. Add a note or reason for cancellation. Keep it clear, brief, and considerate. A simple explanation, an apology, and, if appropriate, a suggestion to reschedule later goes a long way. For example, you could say you're unavailable due to a conflict and will follow up with new times. This note is what your attendees will see, so use a friendly tone. Finally, click Yes, cancel to confirm. Calendly will send a cancellation notification to all attendees and update calendar invites automatically. If you use integrations like video conferencing links, those will be voided with the cancellation. Take a quick look back at your meetings list to make sure the event no longer appears under upcoming. That's it. You went to Calendly, opened meetings, selected the event's details, clicked cancel, added a thoughtful note, and confirmed with yes, cancel. Handle cancellations promptly, and you'll keep your scheduling smooth and professional.